Morning guys, count sub-island. This problem is extended version of number of islands. This is a classic DFS problem. 1 represent the island and 0 represent the water. You have been given a 2 grids. You have to find the number of island from grid 2 that exist in grid 1. For one single cell whose value is 1, if the top, right, bottom or left is either 0 or out of bound, we return true from all the 4 directions of the DFS, marking the current cell as an island. Here we have 2 grids with 2 cells, grid 1 and grid 2. With DFS grid 2 and cross check with grid 1. For cell 1, top, left and bottom are out of bound. So we DFS on the right direction and we update the current value to 0 to mark it as a visited cell. Before we move forward with DFS, we make sure the current value in grid 1 is island 2. Now at our second cell, top, right and bottom are out of bound and left hand side we already visited. So we stop DFS here. The code is very straightforward. If the current cell is out of bound or the value is water, simply return true. If the current cell in grid 2 is land but the same cell in grid 1 is water, then return false. Mark the current cell to be visited to avoid stack overflow and perform the DFS for all the 4 directions. At the end, simply return if all of the directions are true. Perform the DFS for every cell in grid 2 and increase the count, and at the end simply return the count. Thank you so much for watching.